So sad. The last day of the cruise. I honestly felt like I've been on this boat for like ever. But it's still sad. I think it's a good thing that I'm getting off tomorrow, but also I just don't want to go back to regular life. It's just so upsetting. So I might just look forward to like planning another trip or something, because there's only so much I could take of everyday life. I like traveling, I like doing this stuff, I never want it to end. So if I just do more of it, maybe that makes more sense than to dread this trip coming to an end, you know?
It brings a
my last sunrise on this boat. There was a whale.
I saw a whale.
Blowing up water. So rocky. Back at it again, playing speed for the 70th time. I taught Haley how to shuffle. Show them.
Well, she kind of did. She's taught me the right way, it's just not working for me. Shit.
There you go, you kind of got it.
Making me nervous.
Ooh, that was a good one.
You're getting better.
Market, you will find a different price. Never ever go for the cheapest one. It's important, this also. Nice, beautiful, you see?
Isn't this the most beautiful sunset you've ever seen in your life?
Isn't this beautiful?
Isn't this beautiful? The sun just went right beyond those clouds. Oh! Update, we are playing Uno with regular playing cards. And surprisingly, it's kind of working. Our last chips and guac of the cruise ship. So we're doing there's a voice thing.
December back in '63. Oh, tell me what I got this feeling. But then I spent so many nights. And if you'd like to vote for Regina, press 3 or C. Now you have got 10 seconds.